Hi, this is Tim of the 1916 Company. Welcome and thanks for logging on. If you love this watch, email me, Team Mosso at the1916company.com for purchase pricing and availability questions concerning this watch. And this watch is a Rolex Oyster Perpetual Milgauss, Rolex Certified Pre-Owned, reference 116400. The timepiece you see in my hand is a variant with the white dial that was available from 2007 to 2014, and while everyone seems to know about the Z Blue and the GV, or the Gloss Vert, it is the white dial that is attracting the most interest recently. The timepiece features a 904L stainless steel case, which is 40 millimeters in diameter. You can see in profile it's 13.3 millimeters thick from lug tip to lug tip, 48.7 millimeters, and just a bit broader when you add the solid end links of the Oyster bracelet, 49.6 millimeters total distance across the wrist with a 20 millimeter spacing in between the lugs. There is a lot of newfound interest in the white dial variant of this watch, partly because it's white and it's orange, and that is a novel combination for a Rolex. We'll throw it on my 16 centimeter circumference wrist, roll back the glove a little bit so you can actually see my wrist. Now you can see it's a substantial piece. It does feature an iron inner cage around the movement that adds a little bit to the thickness, but it also gives you some functionality and a link to the watch's history. You can see it's low enough that it will fit easily under a cuff, and it does have a sloped bezel, so that helps mitigate any issues with cuffs. You can see down the barrel. Actually fits my wrist quite well. I would recommend this for a wrist of 15 centimeters circumference and up, and once more, my wrist is 16 centimeters circumference for reference. 904L stainless steel, what is it? Rolex now calls this oyster steel, but the industry terminology is 904L. It is a high nickel content steel. As a result, even when exposed to sweat or sea salt, it won't rust, even if not rinsed. 316 stainless can still rust if it is repeatedly exposed and not rinsed. This is completely inert in that regard. We have polished center links on the bracelet. We have polished outer faces. We have shoulders that are satin, a conforming end link taper down towards the clasp. You can see removable links are fixed in place using screws. And then we have a snap-in, snap-out, 5 millimeter tool-free easy link system. And if you look inside the clasp, you'll see, that there are little divots drilled inside the clasp. And you can dismount the spring bar and then change the anchoring point by moving the anchoring point of the bracelet within those 3 pairs of divots. What we have here is actually a sophisticated lift lock system. So these 2 elements join together, and then you must lift to unlock it. So it's not a simple friction fit. Rolling around the case, it's a simple oyster design. Sometimes simple is good. This is a timeless design dating back to 1926, the oyster. And to this day, it remains a practical, water-resistant case with a screw-down twin-lock crown in steel. You know that because it has that little slash underneath. That means a twin lock in steel. It's got a screwed-in oyster-style case back, and the Milgauss is one of the few Rolex watches that has a model-specific case back, partly because it is a larger, more cambered case back. Inside the watch, there's a paramagnetic soft iron cage, and this goes back to the original 6541, 6543 Milgauss models of the 50s, and that cage grabs the magnetic field lines and rather than repelling them, actually attracts them, and it takes them and channels them around the hairspring. So because it's paramagnetic and it grabs magnetic fields, it grabs them and safely pulls them around the hairspring. That's the reason why there's no perforation in the dial. A date would put a hole in that erstwhile quite secure and almost perfectly sealed iron cage around the movement. Now, the watch is not entirely dependent on that so-called Faraday cage today because it also features a niobium zirconium anti-magnetic hairspring. It's a alloy Rolex calls parachrome bleu oxidized, so parachrome bleu. Also an anti-magnetic escapement, balance and balance staff. So while Milgauss might have been true in the 50s, I can almost assure you it is several thousand Gauss today. So the watch is 100 meters water resistant, automatic winding. It is well loomed, as you could see here. Rolex's distinctive chromolite blue loom. And the dial is white, not silver white, but white like chalk. And then with the orange accents, including the lightning bolt seconds hand, it's got quite a bit of pop. You can see that the indices themselves are all blackened. We have white gold indices, hands, and Rolex crown, so they won't oxidize or fade. And while the lightning bolt might seem a little bit postmodern, that was actually a feature of the original 1950s models too. Pull the crown out, and you stop the seconds hand. You can synchronize to a reference time. It does have hacking seconds. Inside, Rolex caliber 3131, bidirectional automatic winding, 31 joules, 4 hertz, 48-hour power reserve, stop seconds. We have an anti-magnetic parachrome blue overcoil hairspring. That overcoil structure also allowing it to be an excellent timekeeper in any physical position. COSC certified Swiss chronometer movement. It features a full balance bridge and a free sprung balance for shock resistance. And this fetching combination of steel, white, and orange is increasingly popular. You can always get ahead of the trend by reaching out. Email me, tmosso@the1916company.com for purchase and pricing details. Rolex Certified Pre-Owned watches are backed and authenticated by Rolex. Should any reconditioning be necessary, it will be to a Rolex Certified standard, and any parts invested, Rolex Factory Original. Should the initial retail box, paper, and accessory set still accompany the watch, it will be included with the sale. But no matter what, a certified pre-owned box and paper set starts with an outer box, a leatherette travel pouch with suede lining, a warranty card that embodies the 2-year globally valid Rolex-backed warranty. Note this is not a retail warranty, but backed by Rolex and actionable at any of its authorized points of sales and service. A leatherette wallet includes the warranty terms and conditions manual. A holographic hang tag marks this as a certified pre-owned Rolex watch, and a manual details Rolex's values as a company. The certified pre-owned program, care, feeding, service, and use of your Rolex, locations of points of sales and service, and details of Rolex.com. Rolex certified pre-owned watches are backed only by Rolex.